Hello everyone. Today I will be giving you a tutorial how to fix this black screen in OBS Studio. So let's get started. As you can see that let me zoom in. Okay. So yeah, so if you see this kind of black screen in OBS Studio, how can you fix it? So basically OBS Studio, we use this application to record the screen. So let's get started as to how you can fix it. So first is, if you see this kind of screen, what you need to do is you need to go to this option and then type over here. Okay, I hope you are able to see the screen. So you need to type display settings and you will see this display setting option over here. So now click on it and then scroll absolutely to the bottom and go to graphic settings. Now you will see this browse option over here. So go to this browse option and then it would actually redirect you to OBS Studio. So go to OBS Studio and then go to bin 64-bit and then OBS 64. So click on it and then click on add. So now you see this has been added and it came to the graphic settings. So now click on you can see this option over here, choose an app to set preference. So you can keep it as classic app and then OBS Studio, go to options. For options you need to go to power saving and then click on save, and then you can if you have OBS Studio opened, you can close it. You need to close it actually, and then I'll show you. Now you need to open OBS Studio, start recording option, and you can open Paint. Suppose I have written over here this, and then you will see that it is recording. Okay, and then you can go to OBS and click on stop recording, and then you can, to see the clip, you need to go to file, show recordings, and then this is the one.
I have written over here this. You will see that.
So this is the recording of the screen which I did, and
OBS and click on.
you can see that it got recorded successfully. So I hope that this tutorial for to fix the OBS screen, it was helpful. Thank you. If you liked it and if it was useful for you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.